All engines and generators create dangerous exhaust gases. Never swim in the danger zone at the bow or the stern. Never swim between houseboats anchored near each other. All Aramark houseboats are equipped with carbon monoxide alarms. Carbon monoxide is a potentially deadly, odorless, and colorless gas. If an internal sensor detects unusually high levels of carbon monoxide, a sharp alarm noise will be triggered. If the alarm is triggered, shut off the generator, open all the windows and doors. Do not, under any circumstance, alter or dismantle these alarms. They are there for your safety.